So hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity for 2024, 2025 as well 2026 pass out batch. So first important hiring for the 2024 to 2025 pass out batch, and this is from the HCL Tech. So they are hiring graduate trainee, and these are the basically requirement. Okay, so roles will be graduate trainee and categories freshers as well as experienced. So if you are from the BE, BTech, CS, IT, EC, Triple E, EI and other branches, then you are eligible for this. If you are from BCA, BSc and BCom and BBA, then you are also eligible for this. Okay, and these will be are the requirement that you should be comfortable in 24/7 rotational shift, and job location is Lucknow, Nagpur and other location. So if you are eligible for this, then you should apply. These are the detail you have to fill in the application form. Okay, so candidate registration form, graduate trainee hiring, HCL Tech. So date of birth and all things, make sure you have to give all the detail correctly, otherwise आप लोग का वही शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग में डिले हो सकता है. सो मेक श्योर टू गिव ऑल द डिटेल, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी एक्सपीरियंस देन यू कैन गिव इट. इफ यू आर फ्रेशर, just click here freshers. Okay, but if you have some experience then you can also give, because this hiring is open for 2022 2025 pass out batch. Okay, means 2021 2022 23 2024 as well as 2025 pass outs are eligible. Next important hiring from the Deloitte. So I have already provided you update related to Deloitte NLA, and Deloitte NLA hiring means registration has been closed. Okay, and exam date related to preparation and all things I've already made a detailed video, so you can go through it. Now a new hiring announced for the Deloitte, means from the Deloitte, and they are hiring the Azure AWS DevOps engineer analyst, Hyderabad. So job location is Hyderabad and freshers are eligible for this too. Okay, so especially if you are 2025 pass out by, then you should apply. 2026 no need to apply now, because currently Deloitte NLA hiring is going on, and if you have already applied then I will suggest don't apply. Okay, and these are the requirements. So bachelor's or master degree in computer science, information or related field, means if you are from the IT background, and then you are eligible for this hiring, and experience is 0 to 1 year, means freshers are eligible. Okay, and if you have some kind of internship, college project or certification, these are the welcome but not requirements. If you have, then it is a good, it will give age to your resume or to the hiring process, but it is not required. Okay, and job location is Hyderabad, and shift timing is 24/7, so you should be comfortable working 24/7. Next important hiring from the SkyPoint. They are hiring for software developer intern. So if you are from 2026 pass out batch, then you should apply, and 2024 2025 तो जरूर भाई आप लोग को अप्लाई करना चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू अप्लाई, मीन्स अटैच योर रेज्यूमे एंड यू हैव टू गिव ऑल द डिटेल्स. ओके, इफ यू हैव डन सम project, then you can also give the GitHub URL and all things. Okay, so this is also a important hiring, and everyone should apply, क्योंकि इससे रिवर्ट आने के चांसेस है. एंड फॉर गेटिंग सच इंपॉर्टेंट जॉब अपडेट, यू कैन सब्सक्राइब अस. करंटली Infosys new hiring has been announced. So besides that, Wipro, Capgemini and lots of company are basically hiring, so you should keep applying. And if you don't want to miss the job update, then I will suggest subscribe this and turn on the bell icon. Next important hiring for the Kolkata location candidates, and if you have minimum 1 year experience, means if you are from 2024 or 2025 pass out batch, and if you have some experience, then you should apply. Okay, and there is no technical requirement, but this is the front office executive. Okay, so if you are interested for this, then only you can share your resume, otherwise you can skip it. Next hiring from the means yes ma'am, and this is the job role, that the SD Java. So they are hiring for SD1, SD2 and SD3 and React Native engineer. Besides this, other post is QA automation Java and QA manual, product manager and product analyst. So if you are interested for these role, then you can basically share your resume or you can connect to them directly. So these are some of the important hiring you should apply. And friends, I regularly post, as I have already said, IBM mass hiring has been announced for 2026 pass out batch. So if you haven't applied, go and apply. Another hiring is still going on from Genpact, HackerEarth, L&T, Cognizant. So you should apply. And if you know any candidates who are from the MBA background, then you can share this video with them. Hope informative to you. कोई query हो, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.